Hi friends, my name is Miss Miranda, and today we're going to talk about the purple group, which is the protein group. Mr. MyPlate, he's going to help us talk about foods that keep us healthy because Mr. MyPlate is a superhero. Mr. MyPlate is a superhero because he eats all of the foods that keep his body healthy. Mr. MyPlate, what foods keep your body healthy? Well, let's start with the red group. The red group is called fruits, like apples and bananas and oranges. Those are really yummy. What about this color? What color do you see? Yes, the green food group is called vegetables. Can you guys say vegetables? Very good. I like to eat lots of vegetables. I like carrots and peas and cucumbers. What about you? That's a great vegetable. Next, we have the purple food group. Does anybody know what the purple food group is called? Can you say protein? Very good. Protein foods come from animals like chicken and turkey and fish. Sometimes we get protein foods from plants like peanuts or almonds or beans. Who likes to eat beans? Ooh, I like to eat beans too. Very good. So does Mr. MyPlate, huh? And what do we have here? What food group is this? It's called the dairy food group. And what color is it? You're right, it's blue. Friends, where do we get our dairy from? What animal do we get our dairy from? Oh, it goes moo. And you're right, it's called a cow. The cow gives us milk and cheese and yogurt. The orange food group is called grains. Can everybody say grains? Very good.
Lots of grains foods are brown, like bread and pasta and rice.
Today we're going to talk about the purple group, which is the protein group. Now, protein foods are really good for our muscles. Can everybody show me their muscles? Oh my goodness, you guys look so strong. You must be eating your protein foods. And look, Mr. MyPlate, he also is strong. He's got his muscles too. So Mr. MyPlate eats lots of the foods from the protein group. Now, protein foods, they don't only just make our muscles strong, but they help us grow. Raise your hand if you want to be really tall. Yeah, then you have to eat your protein foods. Anytime you're growing, you have to eat lots of protein to help your legs grow a little longer, to help your arms grow a little longer, and then you'll be nice and tall. Mr. MyPlate, what foods come from the protein group? Oh, really? Wow, Mr. MyPlate, he told me that lots of protein foods come from animals, like chickens and cows and pigs. Do you guys know what foods we get from the chicken? Okay, yeah, we do. We definitely get eggs from the chicken. We also get chicken, like chicken breast or chicken wings. Those come from our chickens too. What about from the cow? Yeah, we get beef from the cow, like steak and hamburgers. We know when we choose steak or hamburgers, we want to make sure we choose lean steak and hamburgers. Friends, what do we get from the pig? Yeah, we get pork from the pig, like ham and pork chops. My friends, I think there's one more animal that we get food from. This animal swims in the water. What is that? Yeah, fish. We can eat lots of different kinds of fish, like salmon and tuna and trout. And there's some other seafood, like shellfish. What kind of shellfish do you like? Oh, I love those too. Crabs and shrimp, those are my favorite too. So we can get lots of protein foods from animals. But we don't have to get protein foods from animals. There's also protein foods from plants, like beans and nuts and seeds. Can anybody think of any beans? Yeah, like black beans or kidney beans or navy beans. Very good. What about, does anybody know any nuts? Yep, almonds and peanuts and walnuts are all really good protein foods. What else, Mr. My Plate? Oh, yeah, okay. So there's also soy products like tofu. Has anyone ever tried tofu before? Oh, yeah, it's really good. I like tofu too. What about seeds, friends? What kind of seeds do we eat? Oh, really? You get seeds from a pumpkin? Oh, those are really yummy. What about sunflower seeds? Do you guys like those too? Yeah, me too. Sunflower seeds are very yummy. Now, friends, we're going to talk a little bit more about beans today because beans are some of my favorite protein foods, and there's so many different kinds. There's lots of different colors of beans, like red beans and black beans and white beans. There's even some green beans. So we can eat lots of different colors. I like to eat my white beans, or maybe like a navy bean or a cannellini bean. I like to eat those in soups. What about pinto beans? Has anybody ever had pinto beans? Oh, I like to eat my pinto beans with tacos. They're super good in my tacos. What else? Black beans. Oh, I love black beans. I like to eat black beans with my rice. Yeah, that's really good. Maybe with a little cilantro. And, ooh, kidney beans. Some people call them red beans. I like to eat those in my chili. Very good. Oh, yeah, that's another good one. Chickpeas. Some people call those ones garbanzo beans. And we can eat those in hummus. We can blend them all together to make a hummus. I like to eat my hummus with some carrots and celery and cucumbers. It's really good. Friends, has anyone ever heard of lentils? Yeah, lentils are also a really good protein food. They're kind of like beans, but they're a little bit flat. There's lots of different colors of lentils, like red and green and black lentils. So today we learned about the protein food group, and we learned that proteins can come from animals and from plants. We can get proteins from things like chickens and pigs. We can get eggs from chickens. We can get ham from pigs. From our plant proteins, we can get things like beans and seeds and nuts, and those are also really good. All of the protein foods help our bodies grow tall and strong. So we want to eat our protein foods every day. Now, friends, I have a question for you. Raise your hand if you agree that eggs are a protein food. Yeah, you're right. Eggs are a protein food. Awesome job. And my next question, friends, raise your hand if you agree that protein foods help our muscles grow strong. Yeah, you're exactly right. Protein foods are very good for our muscles and they help our bodies grow every day. So we need to eat our protein foods every single day. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time.